The Markson products that are dispatched across the nation are being manufactured at the state-of-the-art plants in Haridwar, Parvanu and Patti. Here, the latest generation of SMT, that is, Fuji NXT XP, is installed to produce the highest quality of PCB that delivers in truly world-class performance in our LCDs and televisions. At Haridwar, a next-generation plant has been set up to manufacture high-end LCDs and televisions using the latest Fuji NXT SMT machines. In an air-conditioned, dust-free and moisture-controlled environment, Markson products roll out of a latest plant that is fully imported to ensure the finest quality standards. The same high standards of manufacturing can also be seen at the Parvanu plant, which is rolling out DTH systems, high-end DVDs and computers. One look around and you'll discover that every care has been taken to ensure that every product is of the highest quality and is of a world standard. The Baddi plant is where Markson home theatres and SMPs are being made. All these products coming out of this plant showcase high standards of production at Markson. And all this is a result of one man's vision, whose life is a story that many will like to emulate. For the last 26 years, he has moved from one milestone to another in trading and manufacturing, relentlessly working towards reaching higher. And like every great man, he too has a dream.